Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Karen, and today I have...
Hello, I'm Jen.
You guys already know Jen.
We're finally doing this.
Oh, I know.
I know. We've been talking about this forever.
This is exciting though. I'm so excited that we're doing like a really fun challenge.
Today we are doing the Doing My Makeup in the Dark challenge. This was inspired by James Charles here on YouTube. He did a great job. I know James, he actually got his makeup in the dark, but we've laid out all our makeup right over here. And I'm excited. I'm glad I have nowhere to go after this because I have a feeling it's not gonna be too pretty.
Oh, if you guys wanna watch this, see how we did? Let's begin.
Damn, it's dark, girl.
I can't even see you.
I can't see you. I can't even see my hands in front of me.
This is so
Oh my
weird.
god, this is... Are you doing primer?
Yeah, I think it's this one. It feels like it's this one.
Let me feel yours. Oh my gosh. Well, yours is full. Like, using the
yours
Too Faced?
is, yeah.
I love this guy.
Okay.
The Hangover. Do you think there's a difference when you use primer on your face and when you don't?
I don't think so. I think it just makes you feel better.
It does, right? Unless it's like a mattifying primer. Then I notice.
Yeah, that's true.
A huge difference.
I feel like primers also just makes me feel better about putting makeup on my face.
Oh, because it's like a protective layer?
Yeah.
I just closed my eyes right now because it doesn't matter.
I have my foundation. I don't know where's the front, but this is the IT Cosmetics Full Coverage Foundation Moisturizer.
I'm using this foundation stick. I thought that this would be easier to blend in for some reason.
I have no idea if I'm doing this right now.
I have a feeling that we're doing pretty good right now.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna struggle with my brows. What are you doing now?
I'm blending my foundation onto my face.
With a brush?
Yeah.
Are you using the Artiste brush? No?
This is the IT Cosmetics one that they recommend, and I actually really like using this flat kabuki brush. I was watching this video on YouTube, and it asked what blind people see beauty. It was really sweet. When we look at beauty, they always say it's by vibes and how they make me feel when I'm around them. If they're a kind person. That's the true meaning of beauty right there.
I think so too. It would rip that layer of superficiality away. Sometimes you do get kind of distracted by the way people look. You make like your preconceived notions.
That's true.
You know, depending on the way someone looks, and you kind of make like judgments, like would I vibe with this person depending on their outfit or something. If you're blind, you wouldn't even, like style wouldn't really matter anymore either.
Yeah, that's true. Wow.
I guess you would feel your outfits with the texture, like do I want to wear something that's velvet? Do I want to wear something?
Interesting.
It's crazy.
Because I feel like style has become such a huge part of our identity.
I know, right?
So thinking about like not having style, inner beauty, man.
Totally.
All about that.
All you
inner
have to
beauty.
focus on is like your soul and how you can nourish that and be the best person you can.
Yeah.
I bet if I was blind, I would just listen to a lot of podcasts. Because then I couldn't read anymore.
Oh man. I'm powdering right now.
Me too. I am.
Okay.
I am. What kind of powder are you using?
This is, I don't know.
Are you using the sponge?
Yeah.
Wow.
What are you using?
I'm just using this brush that I use everything for. I use this to bake. I use this to... I'm using quite a similar product, I feel. It's like by MAC.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. Do you know what it is?
Oh, is it translucent powder?
No, it's kind of random. It's like half of it is like a skin tone and the other half is another type of skin tone. Oh no.
What happened?
I'm just scared. I hate to just mess up, you know? And I just know. Oh no, wait, I know what this challenge is like. This challenge is like the no mirror makeup challenge.
Yeah.
Feel this tip.
I'm like opening my mouth like
so much concentration. We're like,
I hear the little sounds. Right now I'm using the Anastasia brow
brows?
Yeah.
Have you ever had a phase where your brows, where you like look back at a photo and you're like, wow, what are wrong with my brows? 2013 was when my eyebrows were like completely uneven. And then 2015 was when I was drawing my eyebrows way too big. Like it was like going up to my forehead because I was trying to make them even because they weren't even, and so I just made them grow up more and more.
My phase was actually quite recent, I want to say.
Really?
There was a good amount of time when I was like really into the whole like black blocky stiff brows.
Is it the one where you use like a wax to do it and then the concealer to like...
Yeah. That's too much, Karen. Like I was looking back at my Instagram photos, I'm like, the only thing I could see in my face. And I also feel like this year I've just been wearing less makeup.
Yeah, me too. I go in like through phases with makeup. Right now, I really like a minimal eye with a bold lip.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I like that too.
Right? It's
Yeah.
like, I feel like it's just more fresh and it's
Yeah.
still a statement, you know?
Yeah.
It had a moment, didn't it?
Yeah,
I think people
feel
have
like it's
given
a
up.
little found. Someone told me that it put a lot of ads on their phone.
Ads?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
That's what they said. They got pop-ups and ads on their phone.
On their phone?
Mm-hmm.
Is it like a virus?
I think so. I think they may have downloaded a virus, like whatever they did.
Dude, that's so, oh my God. I never knew that viruses can be transmitted through phones now. But that makes complete sense, Karen, because pretty much phones are like little laptops in our pocket.
Yeah,
And it has all our information.
that's crazy. We live in a whole, oh my gosh, okay, random ass thought. Maybe, okay, I'll grab my
What?
random ass thought. I was watching this TV series yesterday that was from it's called Unsolved Mysteries from the 80s.
Oh.
So throwback. The framing is cropped and it has electric flies in intro.
Yeah.
And then the background was like black marble, what's like super trendy right now, and the lighting was like all
my
like
God.
blue, green, whatever. I was thinking like, oh my God, we're gonna be the last generation when our grandkids are alive to be from the 90s. Like from the different century.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna be like those grandmas that we know now that were born in like 1870 or something like that.
Jeez.
Yeah, and we're gonna be like the ones that have once lived life without internet.
I know. It's something to think about, for
Yeah.
sure. Like we're the last real generation that had like a quote unquote normal and traditional childhood. To just go outside and that's it. And just be. I'm like so excited to see what this generation of kids is gonna be like Kylie Jenner's kid.
Oh,
like
yeah.
what is Stormy gonna be like? We're gonna watch her
Yeah.
grow up. Like Chicago and
North. Saint.
Oh my God, I'm doing my eyeliner right now. Very, very difficult. Okay, so when you film, do you go on like a roll? Like can you film multiple things in one day?
No, it's
Or
not
you-
me. I can't do that.
It is so hard for me to do that too.
Yeah, I pour so much energy in one sitting that I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm done. I'm
Yeah.
so tempted to lift up like something to like, okay.
I'm on mascara now, brushing my lashes ever so lightly.
Where's the tip? That's what
She said.
Did you do your eyeshadow already?
I did, but
Wow.
I forgot contour.
Oh, I have one.
Really? I don't have I didn't bring my contour brush. I used the Hula one.
Oh,
Is this Hula?
This is Hula.
Oh, is this Hula?
Yeah.
Is this Hula Light or
Yeah, it's Hula Light.
I love Hula Light.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Wait,
Do you need a brush?
Yeah, do you have the brush that?
No, I don't have that brush. I lost it a long time ago. I have another brush though.
You have so many brushes.
I know, this is so dumb. I should have not done this.
I'm just gonna skip contour. I'm just gonna go straight to my blush. Just film one thing in a day, and then I'm done. A lot of energy is exerted into these videos. Like this one's really chill. When you do a challenge with a friend, it's easy.
Yeah.
Like this is nothing.
Because you don't have to think of all the angles you need to get, all the product shots.
Exactly, we're literally doing this in the dark. Where are you on right now? You're on your blush? So you finished your eye makeup. Did you do your lashes?
No.
Are you doing your lashes? I do my lashes last though.
Me too.
You know what? I don't think I'm gonna do my falsies.
Okay.
I don't wanna do falsies.
Yeah.
Karen,
You know
are you doing falsies? Should I do falsies? If you're doing falsies, I'll do falsies.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try.
Okay, fine, I'll do it too.
Okay, it doesn't have to look good. Hopefully I put enough blush. That should be good. Okay. Oh, I remember what this is. This is a glitter. I'm gonna put this all over my lids.
You're trying, right?
Yeah, I'm kinda
I'm
trying.
trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying as well. I want to look decent. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm just trying to
glue.
put this.
I was like, hey Sid, Sandy, do you guys think like when we have kids we're gonna stop swearing? And then we looked at each other like, nah. Well, maybe when they're toddlers and like in elementary school, I was just like underneath.
I know.
But it's really hard. It feels amazing when you say it.
I don't know why. Yeah, it's like there's something very cathartic about just saying the F word.
Okay, this is a Fenty Beauty lipstick.
I think I put my eyelashes upside down.
I guess we'll never know.
Should I just leave it on? But it doesnn't feel right. It's like when your contact goes in wrong, you're like, ooh, that's not the right way. Okay, so when you were younger, what kind of girl, what kind of woman did you want to be when you were a teenager?
Have you seen My Sassy Girl? And that movie like really made me want to be like a badass bitch.
Wow. Like, okay, define a badass bitch.
She always stood up for herself, stood up for other people. You know, growing up, I've always been more on the timid side, and if it wasn't for my extroverted, like super extroverted parents, I would have been very introverted. Even to this day, oh, fuck.
It's hard, huh?
Yeah. Even to this day, I feel like I need to remind myself to not be a pushover and a people pleaser. So I think when I was a teenager at the time watching that movie, I was like, wow, that is so empowering. I want to be more like that because I'm not that.
Wow. That's really crazy. I feel like you are a badass bitch now, though. I feel like you've manifested it, yeah.
I tell
You
myself
did it.
that to help myself. Thank you.
Yeah, because right now, like you're your own boss. You make your own decisions. You are supporting yourself in Los Angeles. You have a beautiful home.
Oh.
I kind of see like a figure, and it looks good.
Okay, guys, here's the big reveal.
Woo!
How we do?
I don't know. Well, you did really good, Karen.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Everything's popping on yours too. Okay, let's take a look.
See? Okay,
3, 2, 1.
what? Oh my God! Hey,
You were just
not
being
bad.
really nice.
Honestly, not bad.
You did amazing. Okay, Jen.
It's just this slash.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
Yeah, you can actually walk out with your makeup.
I was very minimal with my brows.
That's a good idea because
Yeah.
I clearly was overshooting it a little bit. Your liner is
all.
really good. All right, guys, we do our makeup in the dark challenge.
We would like you guys to tag other YouTubers who you would like to see do this challenge. It's actually really fun.
Yeah.
And it's really fun to just like open up and chat in the dark. We talked about a lot of subjects in this video.
Yeah. I think being in the dark kind of opened up our senses.
Yeah, right? I felt very heightened. I was like,
Yeah, that's it for today.
well, thank you for watching.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, should we do your...
Yeah.